If you want to install iOS Launcher on the Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first we're gonna go to the Play Store. Here in Play Store, we should be able to simply search for iOS Launcher, iPhone theme, or iOS theme. Of course, anything similar should work as well, so we can just simply type iPhone Launcher in here, and you should be able to find many different example launchers that you can, of course, try mostly for free. So in my case, I'm gonna choose this one over here. I'm gonna show you how to set up the launcher with this app over here. But of course, feel free to try any of them if you are not really satisfied, if you are not happy with this app, or for some reason it doesn't work properly for you. So once the launcher is installed, we can go ahead and open the app, the launcher. We don't have to grant the access to location. We can tap on and don't allow, but for the rest of the things, I'm gonna actually allow. But it's up to personal decision, of course. Now in here, we can now go to make a default launcher. You might see an ad in the meantime, but that is okay. We just have to wait for the ad to close it. And then we need to confirm that we want to set iOS Launcher as the default one. Now in here, in this menu, we need to switch from Nothing Launcher to iOS Launcher. You are going to be redirected to the home screen. And in here, we have the information about the blur effect, which always appears, so we can just tap on and never. It doesn't really matter. And then in here, we can just tap on got it. There we go. We have now our iOS launcher. You can still make some further customizations and adjustments if you go to the iOS launcher and if you go through all of these different settings. But as you can see, we have the app library as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.